Thank you so much everyone for joining this webinar. And like in this webinar, we can be see the how the Zoho MCP, Zoho MCP model context protocol will be you how this will be helping your business or the or your competitors. And if you are a founder and if you are a developer, then that will be basically helping you, saving your time and just make it more and reduce with the help of this MCP. So just jump on those this whole ecosystem. So basically, the Zoho MCP is recently launched by the Zoho Corporation, and that is a powerful system. This is the age with the LLM model and the Zoho. So which is helping gives us its real time analyze the data and doing the some CRUD operations also like creating, updating, deleting of your Zoho ecosystems like the CRM, the Zoho project, in the Zoho Begins. In this session, we can be the four applications inside the Zoho ecosystem. We can be looked out how the help of ChatGPT. Because mostly, if you are going to be this MCP website, official website, they are mostly focusing on the cloud. So cloud AI. In this webinar, we can be look out how you can be integrated with this ChatGPT and that after this connecting with this and how can we achieve with the crowd operation and doing the analytics or lots more things inside here. So why we are using this model context protocol? Because of the AI agents, you currently right now you see in the market there are lots of activity like GitHub also providing them and with the LLM with the LLM this large learning model you can directly connect with this AI model with this MCP server and then fetching the data of this data source and make any operations. So sending user request, giving the relevant content to the AI model. And after that, they will be the tool will be execute some of the command and they fetching the data operations inside this. This MCP context protocol will be helping you lots more time, saving you lots more time. If you are a founder, if you are a developer, so that's very helpful. So, so if you are familiar with the natural language like Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, because this is the ChatGPT, you can ask anything in different language. Suppose I'm from Delhi and we are not know about the South language like Malayalam, Tamil, and everything. So what I do I only know the Hindi language. So if I because I am coordinate with this large learning model, so what I do, I will be writing the some prompt inside the this LLM chat GPT model. So I want to like suppose in Hindi, I just asking, can you please tell me about how many leaves today we have, or like we have a committee, we have today 6 p.m. we have come and eat, and then I want to be good, but I just switch off my laptops and something like that. I only a phone. So what I do, I just using the chat GPT and open that this connect this data server and then the chat GPT asking me regarding the field information and they put inside the our Zoho ecosystem like CRM or Zoho Begin like that. So multiple execution you can do in the one single prompt. Suppose if you want to be create a record inside the Zoho Begin, you can also do the contacts. And at the same time, you want to be create a ticket with a particular person, you can also achieve by this one single prompt. And then you want to also creating some of the sales order inside the chat GPT. So that is also In the same single prompt, you can do this. So inside the Zoho MCP, this large learning model works. You can also integrate it with this like this MCP URL with the cloudy and other that belongs. So, like some of the three or more slides are basically a theoretical version, like how you can be what exactly, because some of the beginners also from register this webinar who don't know about what exactly MCP and how the MCPs are working. So there is a more platforms like the ChatGPT, because this is a basically AI model, and an MCP server is basically a mediator. So because this is a large learning model, and they will be coordinate with the some they can't be directly coordinated with the servers. So Zoho has our own servers, and some suppose GitHub have our own servers, some Amazon AWS own servers. So basically, if you want to be coordinate, if you want to be directly coordinate this AI model to with the servers, so this is a directly not possible of MCP, the MCP server that's supported. So the reason is this is a mediator. So whenever you asking some of the like, can you fetch data of my leads? I make mostly we are uh, on which lead give you a more potential to me. And can you tell me how many? We can also integrate it with the Zoho analytics and fetching the predict the data with the help of this LLM model. So there is a like many opportunity to here when you are integrated with this MCP servers with the LLM model, and they directly communicate with the Zoho ecosystem. So we got it here. When you are talking about the Zoho MCP, so currently right now they only giving like just mailing to the Zoho support department to regarding this MCP. If you want to be access this Zoho, so they will be giving you access of Zoho MCP. And there is a one more twist. Have a paid version of ChatGPT where you can be integrated with Zoho MCP with ChatGPT. We can in the upcoming slides we can also see how you can be integrated with stuff inside your uh, your paid ChatGPT. So uh, I think you have understand this. Uh, So second one, we can be link this integration with the many application. In today webinars, we can be looked with the Zoho Begin, Zoho Desk, and Cliq, and with the help with the Zoho Inventory. This is the four applications. We can be communicate, doing the some of the prompt inside the chat GPT, and doing some of the CRUD operations in this particular applications. So, this is the theory part, and inside this, we can see, like, suppose if you are a paid user of ChatGPT, and inside the setting option, you can find out this connector. So, this connector is basically connect your Zoho MCP URL with this LLM model. So that after you can be interact with your applications. So if you want to be interact with the chat Cliq channel, if you want to be creating some new leads inside the CRM or the Bigin, if you want to be send some mail to your client, only just doing some prompt inside there, and they all the things the chat GPT will be handling. Do any extra effort. You don't need to be calculate extra things. Just doing some prompt, and they will work for you and doing everything. So with the help of if you access with the Zoho MCP server, so inside the Zoho MCP servers, if you by finding a URL, so the URL first of all name will be put, image will be put you, and describe descriptions describe your what exactly this MCP do, and then MCP URL. And there is a two options: auth authentication or without auth authentication. You can put it into your connectors, and then you can because this is currently right now beta instant of developer use only. If you trusted the application, just click on the trusted. They sending us some of the OTPs on your verified. It's basically you, and then after the OTP, they redirect to this particular application. That's Zoho application where you can be just check all the fields like access the Zoho MCP or full tool accessibilities. Allow, and after that it will be redirect to ChatGPT panel. That's this is basically a ChatGPT panel. They will be uh, pop. You find out the pop-up where you can connect with Zoho MCP. And then after the successfully connected with Zoho MCP, you can find out this portal. So inside this portal, you can interact with your Zoho project, Zoho CRM. I will also share Zoho MCP of my portal where they have a lots of features where you can be interact with the with the applications and doing any lots of operations. So, so in this session, we can be connect with the Zoho Begins, Inventory, Desk, Cliq, and the sales order or ticket sharing applications like Zoho. So that is helping us to know to learn more about regarding that Zoho MCP, how they will be mostly how the founders will be founder help to uh, to use these things and analyze the data, saving the time and more things. This is basically a new era. The new era will become the AI era. So yeah. So I will be share my screen and my MCP server and the whole you know my chat GPT where I will be interact I connected this whole Zoho MCP. So here we go. So I think you will be see my chat GPT. This is a paid chat GPT. So if you see here, can you please just tell me if you are if this is visible to you? Anyone? So, hello.
Yes, it is visible here.
Yeah. So thank you so much. I also share my MCP. Okay. So exactly how they are working. So in the previous slide, which are we are mentioning you to how you can be interact, how you can be integrated with MCP to the your chat GPT. So I also want to be showcase first of all how the Zoho MCP portal is look like and how you can be first how you can get this URL which I put inside the chat GPT and they will be redirect to the Zoho MCP portal and they asking me to authorize this portal and after that authorization they will be connect to my CRM begin Zoho Inventory and lots more applications. I will be also share to you. So this is the portal where you can be here you can find this is the MCP portal. So if you find here you there is a tool connect connections and lots more things. If you have some portal you can find out here. They if you want to configure lots other tools also inside there lots of products lots of tools. If you can see there is a lots of product like Zoho also that have a products and other products powered by Zoho flows. The third party applications they also have capability to fetch the data and interact with them. So There is Apollo.com, Apollo.io, and lots more things. So currently we are focusing only the Zoho application. So inside the Zoho application, if you can see, when you clicking the Zoho CRM, you can find out here lots of things based on the chat GPT, like putting the prompt inside the chat GPT. So first you want to be click on this, like if you want to be add the tags, assign the territory of records, and clone the particular workflows, clone the record, create the custom modules, create the email notifications, lots more things. If you want to do here, like creating a records, creating roles. So based on your requirement, they have lots of access, API access, which you can which after the clicking it will be giving you. So they have a lots of things. I also showcase you inside the Zoho WorkDrive, like Zoho WorkDrive, Zoho Cliq, and Zoho Project. If you have working some of the project, like any construction project, any implementations project, so just what exactly you do, just put it the some PDF or like that inside the LLM model, like Cloudy or this cursor or some inside the chat GPT. So they will be based on your PDF or like that. They will be automatically create the record places and project inside the Zoho project. With the help of Zoho Mail, you can sending us some mail to other person with a personalized context. So that is also applicable here. Inside the Zoho Desk, if you take some of the particular person, if you want to be creator some of the tickets to a particular person who have some of the issues inside the product or like that. So just a one single prompt, you can do everything. If you see inside the Zoho books, so like you can also do some of the predictions or like that with the help of Zoho books accounting features. So you can there is a lots more things, add invoice, add comment, apply approval bills, like just pass the prompts inside this chat GPT, and they will be approve the bills, export the bills as a PDF like that. Based on the PDF you can predict some of the datas. And because if the LLM model will be do lots more things with the help of this data, that's a directly communicate with your Zoho ecosystem and inside your chat GPT, and giving you a better visibility and saving your times and making more strategic approach with your data. So that's very helping to you. I think you have seen lots more things inside there. If like suppose if you are some of the data you want to be delete from the chat GPT. So some junk data also you can delete from the just one prompt. So there is a lots of things you can just explore, lots more estimate, get the estimates, tax exemptions authority, get tax groups, lots more things. So I think you can find out when you access this portal, you can find out lots more things. So Zoho Mail, Zoho Begin, books, inventory also. But in this session, we can be focusing on Zoho Begin, because Zoho Begin and our Zoho Inventory and the Zoho Desk and our Zoho Cliq. So this four application we can looked about here, and based on the uh, I can show you how exactly this thing is working here. So I just inside the begin, I have some giving the some access like adding records, record counts, and search records, and some of the update record also. So here we can I will be show you my chat GPT. Like that's easy to you to first of all, I will be share my screen to the chat GPT. Um, this one is a window. And, yep. So I hope you will be see my chat GPT. So here is some of prompt I already asking. I have already put inside my chat GPT. So I first of all I want to be also mention these things, like when you have a lengthy prompt. Suppose you have type some lengthy paragraph, like I want to be create a some of lead inside my Zoho Bigin based on the 10 leagues. If the leagues have status is uh, like that or some of the thing, so I want to be create a record based on the creating a record. I want to be if I want to be a create also a sales order like that. So if you have some of the lengthy paragraph or lengthy prompt, so the chat GPT also take some time to execute those all the functions because they also configure authenticate your those applications and calling the some APIs and execute some of the things take some time. And then after they taking time, it will be a better result. One by one, because we have some one by one, I will be explain everything. I just be giving a single prompt based on the single prompt. You know, I will be show you every aspect because this is a sample examples. So what I do, I will be just paste to the some prompt here. So I have some of the prompt. Okay, so I paste this prompt. So I just paste this. Can you create a record inside the Zoho Begin? I want a 10 records with the first name, last name, email ID, phone number, company, and also including a name like Raju. That's a sample name. And if I also showcase you my Begin, Zoho Begin, so currently right now, I don't have any records inside my Zoho Begin. So I also share my screen. So if you see my Zoho Begin, so inside my Zoho Begin currently right now, I don't have any contacts. If you see, there is a company that's called the Zilker Corp. So it's already, I don't have any record inside my this Begin. So what I do, so what I just execute this command, which I already prompt inside my chat GPT. So if you see, yeah. So this is the prompt. So I asking, can you create a record inside the Zoho Begin? I want a sample. I want a sample 10 records. When I clicking the enter button, so what exactly is happening here? So this MCP, first of all, the ChatGPT, this LLM model will be analyzing what exactly the prompt is. Then after that, they will be calling the tool. The tool is basically Zoho MCP. First is checking the tool is available or not. After they will be, you know, calling those, and they take some time because they authenticate and the API call and that these things will be take some time. So if you see, there is some of information, the path of Zoho and basically getting some APIs or like that in this particular thing. So after they based on that prompt, like because it's also creating some of the sample data, like with the help of first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and company name, they all, already generate those data in the backend, and then they will be asked me, can you authorize this thing inside the contact? Can you authorize me to? I just create a contact inside your Zoho ecosystem. So I say, first of all, remember this conversation because I just wanted to be LLM model to to record this session because when I next time I come to to prompt this thing, this LLM model remember my prompt. So that is why I clicking the remember this conversation, and then I just grant permission to my ChatGPT, you can access and authorize my Bigin, my Zoho ecosystem, and then you can create my data, create a sample data. So when I clicking on the confirm button, so what exactly happening? They authorize this field, and after the successfully authorizing, they will be creating the record inside the Zoho Bigin. So they take a time because they redirect, calling the API. That's it. If you see, he just mentioning me, the output will be come here, and they the 10 new contact record inside the Zoho Bigin. So the contact is Raju Sharma, and the phone number is also there, the company name also there, and the Begin record also. They will, uh, sharing the Begin record also. So the Bob, Alex, Charlie, Ethan, and George. There's a lots more contact, and it's also telling me, would you like to count to total contact again? Verify the new totals. So he just giving me an extra suggestion also. So when I will be share my Begin to you, to all of you guys, I will be share with you. Just clicking on the share screen, and then all contacts. So if you see inside the all contact, if you can't see any record, because I'm not refresh these things, so I'm just hard refresh it. So just clicking on the refresh button. So after the successfully refresh, so Begin will be refreshed, and you can see here, there are 10 contacts will be associated inside my Zoho Begin. So with a single prompt, I will be create all the records, and inside the our chat GPT. I can also ask the chat GPT, can you count me the those records, how many records inside my Zoho CRM or like that. Like if we are working on the Zoho CRM, we can also ask him to, can you count my record in the Zoho CRM. If I'm working on this, like I'm working on this currently in the Zoho Begin, so I can ask him, can you count me a total record inside my contact, inside my history, inside my history, like that. So based on my contact, they will be give me a proper answer. So, like you can do anything with the help of this ChatGPT LLM model, because this is a powerful tool. So, upcoming era is an AI era, and if you are aware about this AI era, so you can go ahead every time. So, like based on this small prompt, uh, I can create those stuff. So, if I'm if I'm clicking on this first contact information. So, like suppose I want to update some of the mobile number, or you know some of location, or some of the tag name, or the description. I can also do with help of my chat GPT. I don't want to be tell that's a particular scale person or scale guy, so, manually checking all the records, and then we can do update those things or like that. Takes so much time. What I do, I just prompt him, and then automatically they will prepare the all data and then update it. Or because the LLM have a complex logic calculation, all the things, so they automatically give every do everything. So I also share my chat GPT screen. So this one window. So first, what I do, I can also ask me, can you please, yeah, can you count the numbers of contact inside my Begin? So when I hit enter, they will be count all the the contact, and after the contact, and if you want to be update some of the fields or like that, so that is also possible. So based on your requirement, you can give a more context here, and then after the confirmation, they will be just fetching, just in case the all the things and like answering you. Answer if you ask. I think you guys understand. I hope will agree with you. So am I audible? Can you please confirm that? Also use the emoji or inside this webinar. So it's very helpful to know everything is going perfect. Okay, no issues. I hope it's everything is perfect. So there is a total number of contact. Like it's the chat GPT will be mentioning me you have a total number of 10 contacts. So suppose inside the because yeah recently we have created the 10 contacts there. So they will be that's the reason you just mentioning me we have a total 10 accounts 10 contacts there. So I also want, like, suppose if you want to update another particular account, that is also possible inside with the help of this this chat GPT. So based on your needs, you can asking every questions or everything. So I will be also show you the next things. Okay, so what exactly I there is some other prompt also. Mm, so I have a big prompt. So I just paste this prompt. This prompt is basically, first it will be counting the total amount of the modules, contacts, and company products inside there, and then after that it will be searching the particular record. So searching the particular record means, I mean, suppose if you want to search a particular record, and based on the particular record, we want to update some of information. So suppose I have a record that's called the Raju Sharma, and I want to be update this email ID with uh, email ID with test@gmail.com. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can just clicking on the enter button, and they will automatically do all the things which you are mentioning inside the prompt. So that this is the powerful feature of the Zoho MCP. Every time they're asking me to, this is a big paragraph. So this is a paragraph. So what every time they ask me regarding some of the information, some of the authorizations, like can I access this module or can I access this thing? So, yeah. So after that, the whole things will be happen here. They will give you a proper result and proper statements regarding that, how many contacts you have, and how many you have you just contacts inside the pipeline, inside the company, inside the product, and based on your pipeline, based on your this contact schedule, we also search the Raju Sharma, and then after the searching the this particular person, they will be change his email ID to cast@gmail.com and update with a sample mobile number. So those calculations will be over the ChatGPT platform. So I think it take uh, 2 or 3 minutes to going whole the process. So if you guys have any questions regarding this uh, the model context, also the pod, so just like open the mic and then we'll when we are saying about the prediction or these things, so that is also possible with the help of this large learning model because they are directly interact with your data source. And when a particular LLM model will interact with the data source, they have a capability uh, or giving the prediction, giving summarization,
Got it. Yeah,
summarization, everything. So the data is a more important to the LLM model because this is a large learning model. They have trained in this model. And one of the goodest part of this LLM model is like suppose if you are facing some minor errors. So suppose you have trained this LLM model like to only give those particular leads which is have like a potential lead giving me a 10 lakhs above deals and what is the what you see inside, what is the trend or strategic approach, or what is the pattern you have seen inside this particular lead. So can you give me the campaign prediction, what in the upcoming 3 months what campaign we have run based on this 10 lakhs above potential deal. So the LLM model will be fetching the data source and then giving you a more prediction value. So that is also a possibility to do with this thing. I just showcasing in the sample way because some of the participant who is also a beginner who does not know about what is exactly MCP. So that is the reason I'm just some sample things and beginner friendly contacts to be.
totally understand that, Vivek. I really appreciate your initiative as well because most of them doesn't know how this works as well. That's a really good initiative. And on top of that, I would like to ask one last question on how you created this connector and how you made this work in this session.
Yeah, yeah. I definitely like in the previous session, like I also repeat this thing, like how we can be configure this thing. Uh, uh, just after the complete this.
Hmm. No, no problem, no problem. Don't burden yourself. If you have the recording, please do
Yeah.
send it to the participants.
So this is a sample thing, like based on this protocol, this module context protocol. They asking me to, I just asking to create a sales order from the details supplied inside the begin. So you're just asking me with this sample code, I will be create a uh, record inside the Zoho filter. So that is they will like based on this scenario, they will be creating the record. So some of the like you can do everything with the help of this AI module, this protocol and model context protocol. So it is helping you to based on your data, giving the prediction, making taking your time, making more advanced things, logical things, and doing every CRUD operation that you're doing to system. So that's helping you to send an email like that to a particular person. So that's also a capability record inside there. That ticket, ticket also, or based on the ticket, if you want to be assigned to particular users, that's we expect the help of Zoho MCP. So because we have some of limited time, and I also share every sample data. Just what just go to Zoho MCP portal, and then we will be, select which application you want to use. So let's suppose if you want to do Zoho Cliq, Zoho Begin, and then give a single line of prompt and everything in the particular 5 minutes or the 4 minutes, instead of 4 minutes, they will be do every task which you are giving inside the phone. It's a simple thing you have. If you try and then this is the AI era, so you just try and make uh, more powerful and more useful. If you have a founder, if you have a developer partner, be be- be- so, this is the overall concept. If you then I because the time have a limited, so in this session, like in the upcoming session, we can also when we are we can based on the click, using the click channel, sending the message inside the click channel like thread like that. That moment so like that. We can also do the help of chat. Conditional name, the messages, moderate message. So it takes some time to calling tools. We will go to the label part. Oh, sorry, I will going to be our MCP. This one. So this is our presentation part. So like in this session, because time have a limited, so in this session we cover the Zoho Begin and also Cliq. So these two parts will be covering on the upcoming next session because you guys also have a limited time. So uh, the uh, the why we are using the MCP because the faster task completion, fewer data errors, and multiple app updations in particular second time. With the same, basically, this is a single view where saving your time. This is a single phase. You can do anything, finding the reporting with the advanced LLM logic brain. So you can do everything inside the single interface. So this is a new era and this is a new upcoming era. So the client, if the client want to be we want a single interface, so that is the founder just put inside, just interact with ChatGPT and then they will be answering all the stuff, defining answer all. I hope it is valuable. It's giving you valuable, So any questions you have or